Are you tired of waking up on Monday morning to head to the office with a terrible hangover? Queen Charlotte's Fruit Punch. Guaranteed no hangovers.
Aloha and welcome back to Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour. It's been a long time since we've had our next guest on the show. I would love to welcome back to the show, Miss Sugar Pepper Jones.
Hello.
You're back.
I'm back.
Where you been?
Long gone.
Long gone, but she's back.
I'm back.
I would imagine you've been busy with all kinds of burlesque performances.
Yeah, I've been pretty busy planning them.
As well as modeling performances.
A few here and there.
Earlier today, we shot some photos in the Breezeway.
We did.
Do you like those photos?
Yeah, I do.
I'm very excited about tonight's cocktail because we're going to try something new. We're going to try a cocktail that is guaranteed not to give you a hangover.
No more hangovers.
At least for this cocktail, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me anything about this drink?
Well, this is Queen Charlotte's Fruit Punch.
I see you referencing the Bartender's Guide from 1972. Trader Vic's Bartender's Guide. Anytime there's like this little TV denoted next to the cocktail, it means that Trader Vic himself invented this cocktail.
Ooh.
What does it say right here?
When you went into a saloon with your kids in the old days.
Wait. You went into saloons with your kids?
Apparently. You could get a Queen Charlie for them. Grenadine and soda. But I make this up for kids these days.
Okay, but we're not making these for kids. We've seen a lot of messages from people going, when are you gonna do another non-alcoholic cocktail? Now is the time. Now is when.
Now's the time.
Yes. And for this cocktail, we will be using... Oh, I closed the book.
Oh no. 327.
Oh, you have it memorized? Orange juice, pineapple juice, lemon juice, passion fruit nectar, grenadine, and soda water. It's almost like you've done this before. So this recipe says to make the cocktails in the glasses. We're gonna be utilizing these footed Pilsner glasses. Oh wait, you wanted this one?
This one's mine.
Okay. Why is that?
I like the shape at the bottom. It's
Okay.
more round.
All right. So we're gonna make these separately because we're gonna be pouring the ingredients into each glass. It's weird because in this thing it says pour all of the ingredients except soda over ice cubes in a 10-ounce Pilsner glass. In my years of cocksmithing on this show, I've always found that it makes more sense to pour the soda water in first, because when you do that, as you pour the other ingredients in on top of it, they all mix.
Well, let's just do it our own way.
Oh wait, I think they mean for us to fill it up the rest of the way with soda water. Make the drink, and then whatever room is left, you fill it with soda water.
Oh, okay.
Okay, well, let's start with cutting the orange.
Sharp knife.
It's a very sharp knife. Not that sharp, apparently. 1 ounce of orange juice per cocktail. We need a squeezer.
Squeezer.
Oh, squeezer.
A squeeze.
Why don't you go ahead and squeeze 1 ounce of orange juice into
Oh, no.
this guy? Let me just finish that off there for you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now it says to pour the ingredients in over ice. So maybe we should put some ice in these glasses first.
Okay.
So it does say that we want to be using ice cubes. It's kind of a rarest. It's kind of a rare thing on this show to be using ice cubes, but Vic specifically calls for ice cubes. Why don't you pour that in over your ice there? Very good. And I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze 1 ounce of orange juice for myself. Cool. Okay, let's do the lemon juice next.
Curl the fingers.
1/2 ounce of lemon juice per cocktail. Perfect.
Got it.
Pour that in over your ice there. Fancy pouring.
It's for Queen Charlotte.
Okay, let's do the pineapple juice next. Go ahead and shake that first. But like more fun. But maybe like more fun.
Is that fun?
Even more fun, like
Is that fun?
with the other hand in the air.
Like this?
Okay, 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice.
Ta-da!
Very nice. And 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice for my drink. Next.
Passion fruit nectar. Do I need to shake this one? Oh yeah, shake well for better flavor. Got it.
Do you want better flavor?
I do.
Okay.
I prefer better flavor. Isn't that the point?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
1/2 ounce per cocktail.
Oh.
Perfect.
Thanks.
I can't wait to taste this drink. Half an ounce of passion fruit nectar.
Ooh.
And go ahead and grab the grenadine. Now we only need 1/4 ounce of grenadine per drink.
Yes.
Perfect. Now what do you think is going to happen when you pour that grenadine in over your previous ingredients?
It's going to turn orange. I'm assuming.
Look at that beautiful color change.
Oh, it's like a sunset.
Okay, so 1/4 ounce of grenadine for my drink. Look at that.
Ooh.
What a fun mixture. Now what we're gonna do, I think we'll top it off with ice. And yours. And then we're gonna fill to the top with soda water.
It should be fun.
It should be fun.
Here we go. Ooh. Wanna do this?
Sure, thanks. It's a very layered cocktail right now.
Yeah, this is cool.
Now, if you do want to add rum to this, some people might want a hangover or just some fun. I would suggest maybe like a Demerara rum, maybe a dark Jamaican pot still rum. Might taste very delightful in that. But the whole idea of this is no hangovers.
Exactly.
Why don't you go ahead and stir yours and probably hold it by the base.
Alright, am I doing this one?
Let me show you on this one first. You're going to put the back of the spoon against your glass.
Uh-huh.
And then you're just going to go whoop.
Oh.
Oh, too much fun.
Huge mess.
It says to gently stir, and that was not gently. There you go.
I'm trying my best. I think that's good enough.
I think that's good. Ingredients are combined. Now, to garnish this, we're going to do the traditional Trader Vic's garnishing, which usually means some mint.
Hooray!
What do you do with the mint?
Smack it.
Like you smack the like button.
Smack that like button. Smack it.
Okay. A little bit of mint there, or a lot of bit of mint there.
Beautiful.
And we are going to garnish with a fruit stick. One of Trader Vic's most traditional garnishes is a fruit stick, which includes pineapple and a maraschino cherry. Not a Luxardo cherry, maraschino. I think he loved the bright red colors.
Yeah, it's beautiful with the green.
It is beautiful. Here's a straw for you and a straw for me.
So excited. I thought it was going to be more red.
I kind of thought it'd be more red also, but grenadine really isn't red. You think grenadine is red?
It's more like a brownish color.
Yeah, fascinating, huh?
Fascinating.
Folks, if you've enjoyed this episode so far, join the Patreon. And then you can maybe you can hang out with her.
Maybe.
Really? If you're on the Patreon?
We'll have to discuss that.
Maybe not. If you do join the Patreon, I will send you this enamel pin, and you will be invited to weekly Zoom calls after the
Wow.
episodes.
That's
It'll be
fun.
like a VIP thing. Do you want to join us on the Zoom call this week?
Sure.
At the very least, you'll get to talk to Miss Sugar Pepper Jones.
And you might meet my cat Venus.
Oh,
She loves Zoom.
that's a bonus.
Yeah.
By joining the Patreon, you'll also have the opportunity to buy merch before it's available to anybody else. And we do have tiki mugs coming out
No way.
very soon. Yeah, we've only done one other tiki mug before on the show, so this will be the second tiki mug.
Amazing.
You want to taste this thing?
Let's taste it.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. No hangover.
No hangover.
Oh my gosh, that's really yummy.
It's super good. Oh my god.
Mm.
It's a lot of different fruit flavors. I think you get a lot of tang from
Yeah.
the lemon juice.
Yeah. I really taste the orange and the pineapple.
Uh-huh. And I love the soda water. It gives you the feeling of like drinking alcohol.
Definitely the bubbles help.
Mm-hmm. And the best part about this cocktail, we'll be up at 5 in the morning tomorrow, feeling terrific.
Yep. Mostly.
Mostly.
No, returning to work. It
Oh,
sucks.
sucks.
Mondays really suck. Those are the days I have 3 espressos just to stay awake.
I see. Where would you order this? Trader Vic's, I guess?
Yeah, definitely. It's really tasty.
It is really, really tasty.
This is so good.
So Queen Charlotte was the youngest daughter of Duke Charles. And maybe that's the reason why they made a non-alcoholic cocktail named after her.
Really?
Maybe.
Why?
Because she was the youngest daughter.
That makes sense.
All right. Thanks for playing along.
I'm getting a little tipsy.
Oh. Doesn't it feel like you're drinking a cocktail, though?
Mm-hmm.
Like, it really does.
It does.
I guess that's it. Ah! What was that bug?
Ew! I hated him.
An animal from the jungle just tried to attack us.
Wow!
Folks, if you enjoyed this, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And if you don't hit the subscribe button,
You'll be banished to the dungeon.
Oh. And to see more videos with Miss Sugar Pepper Jones, click on this link right here.